We are the thunder, soft and strong, the beat of change, the pulse of song.
In classrooms, whispers start growing.
A thought, a spark begins to glow. A dream takes shape, a heart takes flight, from shadow down to very light. I speak not just for me alone, but for the seeds that must be sown. We are tomorrow, hope on fire. We are precious, we aspire.
To our advisors,
Sir Josh and Sir Dave, your teachings are magic, with lessons learned and fun shared too. Thank you for your teachings that shines right through. We are the voices, fierce and free, telling the world who we can be. Not just an echo, not a trace. We are the future, we find our place.
We rise like dawn, we learn, we grow.
We learn, we grow. Our story starts in holes like these.
In books, with trees, with planted trees.
Teacher Bates and Serga, your guidance nights a path. Your wisdom is a gift of life, not classroom problems like a knife. Speak as one in voice and name. Through God's grace, we can soar like eagles. None of us shall go weary and leave the world a brighter flame. We learn, we grow, and now we see a world of hope and possibility.
God's plan is clear. His path is bright.
He'll lead us forward with His light. No dream too big, no goal too far. With faith, we will rise and reach the stars. So take the step with hearts so bold.
The future is waiting.
Let it unfold.